Hi, Vinnies! Welcome back! Another day, another vlog na naman. Today is Wednesday and yung ginawa ko palang tulip na regalo kay Baba, dito ko siya inilipat. Kasama ng mga letter ko and then yung aming picture. So, inilipat ko siya dyan and kagabi, hindi ako masyadong wala akong tulog. Inabot ako ng alas 2 o 2:30, gising pa ako. Pinili ko na lang talagang matulog pero wala. Pumikit lang siguro. Siguro nakaidlip lang ako tapos nagising na ako ng mga 5 o'clock, 5:30. Hanggang ngayon, gising na gising pa rin ako. Hindi ako naglaba today. So, bukas ko na lang isasalang yung labahin ko. Friday, wala nang pasok si Baba. So, kailangan ko lang siyang laban tomorrow para wala na siyang iintindihin. And, nag-coffee lang ako. Hindi ako kumain ako ng last snack. Hindi ako magla-lunch kasi magwa 1 meal a day nga kami kagaya kahapon. So, magsusup kami later ni Baba. Pupunta kami mamaya ng grocery kasi Thursday night, ida-drop dito yung bunso niyang anak. Tapos dito na mag-i-stay hanggang weekend. Nanonood lang ako sa kwarto. Sa kwarto ko nakatambay kasi feel ko mahiga. Antok na antok ako pero hindi ako makatulog. Alam mo yung feeling na antok na antok ka tapos di ka makatulog. Ganun yung pakiramdam ko. Inaayos ko rin din yung bed at si Baba kailangan daw lagi nakaayos yung bed. Kahapon, pinagprint ako ni Baba ng aking resume. 21 pieces or 20 pieces yan kasi pagka pumunta kami sa shop, may mga iba't ibang shop kasi doon, coffee shop or tindahan ng alak, ganyan-ganyan, pwede ako magpasa ng resume kahit hindi sila hiring. Basta, parang antabay lang ganun. So, swerte kung makakakita ako ng hiring and yeah, sana magka-work ako and para makalis kami ng gastusin and makatulong ako kay Baba sa ibang bayarin. Manonood muna ako, update ko kayo later. Baka mamaya na ulit ako mag-vlog pagka pauwi na si Baba or andito na pagpupunta na kami ng grocery. I hope you guys na napanood nyo yung aking kaka-upload lang kaninang umaga or kagabi yata or madaling araw na video ko. Gamit itong DJI action camera ko and so far so good and ang saya-saya ko kasi maganda yung quality para sa akin kumpara sa cellphone na gamit ko. Nagugutom ako. Kami ay mamimili. Daling ko itong aking camera. Ang lamig! Mahangin sa labas! Hindi ako bukas ng bintana. Mahangin.
In the June.
Ang lamig. Tomorrow.
Yeah, I might put it out tonight though because I'm starting normal time tomorrow and sometimes if I'm running late.
Yeah, it's cold every morning.
It's cool, yeah, the cloud cover.
Yeah.
Better get a heater for the bed.
I thought the one is not heater.
It is, but I don't like that kind of heater.
Okay.
I like the bar with the radiant heat.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
I'm not a big fan of it. I never really use the split air cons for heating because it makes my face go all red.
Yeah.
I don't like it. I'd rather have the bar. Yeah, I got it down pat, this stuff. You don't know about that.
I'm not worried.
I'll get the barbecue stuff on Saturday. So I'll just get some bits and pieces. You might need another butter, some cheese, bread, all that.
What about because they're shut on Friday?
Yeah, shut Friday and shut Monday, I believe.
What date is that?
A Good Friday. What's today, the 8th?
Yeah. What else you need?
Milk and probably eggs.
Ay, nako. Inaatok ako. Wala akong tulog.
Soup for the bolognese, and I'm going to get
Yeah.
a couple more of those soups that we've been eating.
Dami niya mamimili kasi kami kasi magsasara yung shop ng Biyernes Santo. Bukas may trabaho siya, busy na kami. Pagod na siya bukas pag-alis ng trabaho. So ngayon na lang kasi maaga siya umuwi today. Yeah. Ang weird ng screen ko. May ilaw siguro.
This is what $1.80.
Yeah.
So, beef,
$1.80. It's on sale. The cup noodles.
chicken, free. We'll go in that. Don't let me forget body wash.
Hindi naka-sale yung Vaseline. Dito ako sa aisle na heaven daw, sabi ni Baba. Heaven daw sa akin. Hindi naka-sale yung Vaseline na serum. Maybe it's not on sale. It's all good.
The hand wash, and I'll just put it.
Yeah. Pumili kami ng
I think it's
Mr. Bunny chocolate.
sorry,
Bunny chocolate.
honey, yeah.
Yeah, because it makes my skin smooth.
Supple.
Yeah, actually.
You got toothpaste.
Yeah. Hung in the toilet?
Yeah, I think there's one.
Okay.
Got meat cheese nuts today.
Butter.
Butter, I need to get a bit of butter in there. I might get her a Nutella as well, just to say that we've got a Nutella. For Friday night, I don't know what I wonder if I'll get a big packet of nuggets. She likes nuggets. Friday night's nugget night. I'll get a big packet of nuggets.
Nugget. Is that for Friday? And then cheese.
Oh, do we need more sauce or you've got sriracha?
Oh,
More sauce.
yeah, we did. Then more para. That's your para.
Oh, sweet. Yeah.
It's on sale.
Yeah, with that.
Okay, here we go. All the eggy.
I'll get us.
That's all the egg. Oh, that's cute. But we need to get the egg. Because you already got bunny.
Yeah, I just want to see
Oh, this one. Oh, that's Oreo. That's yummy. Heaven. Ang dami matutuwang bata. This one? Yeah.
Hello, Easter. Yeah, okay. We've got
Five.
days.
That's what happened. 5 of that. Yeah. So, meron kaming 5 bunnies and 5 na itlog. One more?
One more.
I don't want to drop it.
It's 40% off, so it's not,
Yeah.
they're normally $10.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Alright,
That's good enough.
rice.
Yeah.
One of them.
Oh, it's cold. It's cold. Where's the guy? Oh, there. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Lamig. Yeah. You'll be alright.
Yeah.
Okay. Mahina na. Ang lamig. Oh, yeah. You can push the car here. Oh, my God. Car na kami. Nalagay lang ni Daddy yung pinamili doon sa booth. Anyway, I hope maganda yung pagkakakuha ko ng aking video. Yeah. Anyway, think about it. Nandiyan kayo. Kapanjama ako. Sabi niya parang ano daw. Kapwa niya Australiano. Sabi ko hindi, normal lang sa Pilipinas yung nakapanjama pag pumupunta na kung saan. Yung shop nila kasi is grocery. So, di ba sa Pilipinas pagka namamalengke tayo. Hindi naman tayo gumagayak ng bongga-bongga. Ayun si Baba. Lalagyan niya yung ano dun. Yung trolley. Ito pala yung kinabit ni Baba. Para sa aking phone. So, just in case gusto ko mag-live sa TikTok o sa TikTok, dyan ko siya ilalagay. Hindi ko alam kung kakasya yung DJI ko dito. So, tatry ko, pero hindi ko sure. So, anyway, yan. Pauwi na kami. Makulimlim, malamig sa labas. Ay, nasi-seatbelt pala ako. Kailangan ko pala mag-seatbelt. Wait there, mamaya na lang pag nasa bahay na kami. Hindi na ako mag-haul ng pinamili namin kasi ang dami nun. And yeah, mamaya na lang uli. Hello. Bahay na kami, naipak. Tabi ko na yung mga pang Easter chocolate ng mga bata. Doon sa aming cabinet kasi meron kami mini pantry doon sa aming cabinet. Hindi ko lang sa kayo ilalagay. Anyway, hawakan ko na lang kayo. So, pinatong ko lang uli robe ko kasi malamig. Ang hangin sa labas, sobrang hangin. Pero maganda yung araw, hindi siya makulimlim. Kasi pag gabi naman na tama lang yung ganyan. So, ayan. Yun yung panahon. Basura pala bukas. And, yun lang. Higa muna ako. Naiwan ko palang nakabukas yung aking cellphone. Anyway, tinutupi na ni Baba yung kanyang yung aming tent. Natutulugan pag kami ay nag-camping. Naayos niya, babalik niya sa dati. So, siguro mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung aming hapunan pagkakain na kami. Para hindi masyadong mahaba itong video ko. Kasi yung last upload ko, pinaikli ko na lang yun kasi sobrang haba. Parang naging 16 minutes na lang. Madami na akong pinutol. Mga unnecessary. So, mamaya balikan ko kayo pag kakain na kami ng hapunan. Dinner is ready. Yung soup na favorite namin, tsaka garlic bread. Hapunan. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take the bins out because they're full. I'm going to have time in the morning. And I'll get that gas bottle off the back because it's full.
Oh, this is good.
Yeah, it's yummy for the cold weather, eh?
Yeah.
Perfect for the cold weather.
Yep. Sobe is always perfect with cold weather. Sarap na to. Garlic bread. Ang sarap pag sinasawsaw. Yum.
Delicious. This is my favourite at the moment, eh?
Well,
This soups are perfect for cold weather.
yeah. It's good.
They're $3.
Yeah?
They're $3. The soups. They're $3. That's cheap.
Okay.
Really cheap. The garlic bread comes in twos, remember?
Oh, yeah.
So 2 meals, it's 6 plus. So 2 soups is $6. That's 2 meals.
Yeah.
Plus $2.50 garlic bread. $8.50 for 2 meals for both of us.
That's cheap.
Yeah, so it's like $4.20 when we get 2 meals. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. That's good. I like it, and it's not something like,
It's very pleasant. But I'm definitely getting the beef one again.
Yeah. I want to try the, I think I have that, but it's not microwavable thing. You need to boil it. It's crab and corn. I think we bought that in the Asian store.
Wow.
Yeah. Because I always like crab and corn soup. It is good. This is really perfect. Because it's cold.
That's pretty perfect, isn't it? And you can take these
But-
you can take them camping.
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
You just tip it out into a little saucepan
Yeah.
and just heat it up. Just don't let it boil. Boils, it'll come watery.
One pack is good for 2.
2 people, that's what I mean.
Yeah.
It's yummy and quick and easy.
Yeah. Tapos na ako mag-hapunan. Hindi ko naubos yung yung isang bowl nun. Usually, nauubos ko yung pag kumakain kami nun. Ngayon, hindi ko na naubos. Nabusog na ako agad. So, effective yung tinitake ko na pampapayat. So, effective yung tinitake kong pampapayat na yun. Nakakadalawang araw pa lang ako. Usually, nauubos ko yun. Pero naubos ko yung yung tinapay, yung garlic bread. Pero yung soup, hindi ko na siya naubos. So, good job. Good job talaga, mahal eh. Mahal yung, yung pampapayat na yan. Anyway, baka, tapusin ko na to dito para makapag-edit na rin ako, makapag-upload ako. So, I hope you guys, like this video and supportahan nyo yung mga pinagagawa ko. Kahit boring. Yeah, subscribe on my YouTube channel. And see you on my next one. Bye-bye.